Hi guys, I went shopping. Just to cool myself off. It's been hot here, so, you know, being a store, air conditioning, why not? Now I got a pair of Skechers, relaxed fit with air cool memory foam, which I think was perfect for the summer, especially end of July, August, hot. Relaxed Fit offers runners a toe area for all-day comfort. Roomier toe area for all-day comfort. Air-cooled memory foam provides pressure release and instant comfort. The molded gel midsole helps absorb impact and provides stability. Just out of the box. Open it up, and it's the same as the front. I'm not gonna run in mine, I know. Get an aqua blue lace with it. That's a very pretty color. And look at what the sneakers look like. Black with aqua blue and purple. I'm a Skechers kid. I love Skechers. I've been a Skechers kid for quite a while. And the bottom's white with aqua. The Skechers on the side. And that lace is blue and purple. Just thought you guys would like to see what I got yesterday. The other one, same thing. No, obviously. Another blue lace for the other side. Which, I don't think I'm changing the laces. I think I'm leaving the laces. I like those laces. I'm leaving them. That's all. Thought you would like to see this. If you'd like, you can join me on Facebook or Instagram. Or leave a comment below. Have a good day.